Hello everyone, this is Tina from G-Note. G-Note is a leading manufacturer in heat pumps since 2009. As we all know, the heat pump became more popular in the world due to the energy crisis. And our G-Note developed the new products according to the customer needs and the new trends in markets. And this is our new product, R290 heating and a hot water all-in-one heat pump. Yes, and it has a lot of advantages. I want to introduce to you one by one. Okay, you can see it has a 2 water tank in it. One water tank is 75 liters buffer tank. It has 8 kilowatts electric heater for heating the house in winter, and it has 180 liters domestic water tank for heating the water, and with the 3 kilowatts. And you can see the screen. The control is touch screen, so it's very smart. And the max outlet water temperature can be 75 degrees. 2 water tanks combined into one machine, so it can save more space for you. And it can be installed in the house. Okay, any interest to get one unit?